Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Abdul Rayeb Khan and I have created this video to address the problem of those students who are facing problem in submitting their quizzes and assignment on Google Classroom properly. So I thought that I should develop such video to address that problem. So here we go. This is my Google Classroom, which is which I've created as a demo class for preparing this video. So here you can see that we have three things on the top, three tabs: stream, classwork, and people. Stream is a general series of things that teachers and students post. And if you post any assignment or anything on this thing, then it would be hard for the teacher as well as for you to find that particular thing. So that's why we have this classwork tab in which we post specific things, and you need to post all those your answers in that created link only. And the third tab is of people, which is the detail of the students who have joined this class. So let's start with the first assignment, that is demo quiz. So here you can see that uh, in this there is a tab which is showing mark as done. If you mark it as done, then a pop-up window will come, then it will tell you that you didn't attach work for demo quiz 1, so your teacher will just see that it's done. And that's what happened when you mark it as done. Then the student claims that, sir, that I have completed the thing, and teacher says you haven't completed any task, and hence the problem arises. So what you do whenever you face any such kind of situation, just directly go to this Google form and start attempting the quiz quickly. So here I am entering my name. Then question number one: who is known as father of nation? Mr. M.K. Gandhi was father of nation. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Who is the first prime minister of India? Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. And which is the best university of India? So Integral University is the best university of India, because Integral University has been my alma mater. So Integral University will always be the best university for me. So here I submit my response, and let's see what where it will lead to. So here you can view your score. So I've scored 5 out of 5, no doubt. I'm a very genius student, and this quiz was very tough. So here we are done with the first assignment. So again, getting back to your Google Classroom, and you can see that your work has been handed in. Now, getting back to the assignment number 2. Assignment number 2 is uh, demo assignment number 1. Yes. So answer the question. These are the instructions. Answer the question after watching the attached video. So again, don't mark it as done. Rather, go to the Google form and see what the teacher is asking. It's asking about your name again. Then uh, you have to go to through the video and then answer the question. So the video is about the law of demand and determinants of demand. You have to answer what are the various determinants of demand. So you can write the determinants of demand and submit it, and hence your response is submit. Now here you cannot see the score because this is not automatically uh, evaluated score. The quiz was automatically evaluated by the computer because the correct responses were already fed by the teacher. So here you are again done with assignment number 2. Now the demo assignment number 3 and 2. In demo assignment number 2, read the instructions, prepare a PowerPoint presentation on theories of profit. So you have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation. So what you have to do, you go to this, add to or create, go to the file. I've already prepared a PPT on this, and profit theories. You attach it and you upload it. And here your answer is submitted. All right. Now you can hand in. Here you can hand in. Yes. So in this way, all the three kinds of assignments, you can complete it properly. I hope you have liked the video. It would help you a lot. And if you find it helpful, kindly share it with other fellow colleagues also. Thanks for watching.